Ayun, round 3 mga idol. Last round.
In front of 40,000 plus.
Right.
He does with a body. And Pacquiao getting
bago.
slightly shot off the left. Ampo loads up the round. Digs in the left hand. Manny. Counter lead by Ampo.
Putang ina, lakasan na talaga. Oh, yun oh.
He responds.
Bigayan ng lakas oh.
Here comes Ampo.
Kahit round 3 lang, napapalaban si Pacquiao dito.
And left from
Oh,
Ampo.
yun oh. Ang kaliwang side oh.
This place goes bananas.
Tinamaan yung kaliwan ni Pacquiao yung budiga dun ah.
Woke him up, and this is the Ampo that I thought we were going to get. Guys, they know they can last 3 rounds. This is what they do. 3 of them, no problem. Nice right blows in the last round. Elbow this time. They caught the elbow as it was going through, but great round out it.
Kailangan mo si Pacquiao, naulo daw si Pacquiao, naulo Chico.
Loads up on the left hand is Pacquiao. Ting world champion.
Parang gusto ipakita ng hapon na magaling siya. Na kayang-kaya ni si Pacquiao.
Ampo right hand starched him. The right hand. Chance from Ampo again. Body shot through.
Oh, lo.
Uppercut from Manny. It's a deep breath.
Kado si Pacquiao dun, tinamaan si Pacquiao dun ah.
Ampo back. Ampo giving it his all.
Shown that he's got a hell of a chin. So you typically find a little lower than this, but Ampo.
Yun. Pumasok yung upper ni Pacquiao dun, men.
Goes the liver. Manny with a hook. Final 25 seconds. Here comes Ampo response.
Isa pa.
From Ampo.
King ina mo.
Down the booth momentarily.
King ina
Manny
mo.
goes body and head. And Ampo.
Putang
And what a
lakas.
fight. What a
Just put it on. I thought that's what we were going to get.
Yun. Tapos na mga idol.
So we'll not go.
Ito, medyo alanganin si Pacquiao dun ah.
Delivering. Whether it's exhibitions,
Magaling ang hapon.
And there's Rank
Oo.
with Konzi.
Thank you.
Ayan, natapos din. Nandiyan din si Ryan Garcia.
You can be a boxer.
Papansin sa Japan.
Professional boxer.
Ayan, natapos mga idol. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ha?
Ambo, great fight. Manny Pacquiao, you know you're a legend.
Sabi ni Pacquiao, magaling daw ang hapon. Professional.